our channel again. So today we will talk about what is subconscious mind and how subconscious mind brings the positivity in our life. So to understand it, we will start like we breathe. We inhale, we exhale. So we don't have any conscious awareness for that. When I talk about when we inhale, we are not consciously aware or we don't command ourselves to inhale. When we exhale, we don't command ourselves to exhale. So the things which are beyond our conscious awareness are present in our subconscious mind. So it could be our digestion process, it could be blood flow, but apart from this biological factors or biological mechanisms, there are so many things that are actually inside our subconscious mind. Like some people you might have seen are very angry. Some people you might have seen have low self-esteem. Some people you might have seen have low morale in their life. So where has all this come from? It's not that one day I am rejected by something and I started feeling that I'm not a good person or I'm a bad person. It's not like that. What happens actually when we are child, during childhood, whatever the dispositions are fed in our mind, that remains long lasting. For example, if during childhood, between the age of, I would say, 0 to 7, whatever my parents, whatever my caretakers, or whatever my environment was, if somebody would have been constantly saying me that you are a brat, or they might be constantly saying me you are not worth anything, you don't know how to do things, or any negative dispositions that they are giving to me, or any kind of positive dispositions that they are giving to me, any kind of labeling that they are giving to me, that you are a thief, maybe you are only stealing things, or maybe you are not really good at anything, you are very good in this thing, negative or positive, whatever dispositions we have, it becomes our lifelong dispositions. And what happens, because it is during our conscious, it is not during our conscious awareness, we are just listening, we are just grabbing the things, and that is going into our mind slowly and slowly. So 100 times if somebody would say you, somebody would say you again and again that you are a brat, or maybe you are a good cyclist, so it will be into your mind, either it is positive or negative, it will be into your mind and it will develop its roots into your subconscious. So what happens when you grow up? So slowly and slowly when you grow up, though you consciously don't know that this has been into your subconscious mind and this has been your dispositions during childhood, but your behavior would be like that. Either you would be having the low self-esteem, or the person with so much anger because they have seen the anger environment, anxious environment in their family. So it's just beyond their conscious awareness. And people are trying to heal. So we cannot definitely change that what has been predisposed in our minds when we were child. But what we can change is our today, and how we can bring ourselves into a positive mode to uplift from whatever has happened to the present. So there are few techniques that we need to work on our subconscious mind. That is, we need to train our subconscious mind to work positively to the environment. So there are few steps that we need to follow in order to reprogram our subconscious mind. So first I would say, change your environment. Like if you are, whatever the age, if you are in 20, 21, or whatever the age you are in right now, maybe 40, 50, whatever the age you are in right now, you can definitely reprogram your mind. And so how will you change it? First, start with change your environment. So when I talk about change your environment, if you are still having some people around you who are constantly saying you that you are not worth anything, you cannot do anything, or you are such an idiot, or you are a brat, So please avoid those people. Once you start changing your environment, you start feeling much better way, because it will not only help you to enhance your self-esteem, but also would help you to increase the confidence and positivity in life. So please, the first step is change your environment immediately if you are still facing the same issue. So the people who are actually mocking you up or finding the flaws in you, so avoid those people. It's better to have a good self-esteem or high self-esteem rather than the high number of friends who are just against you or who are just only finding the flaws in you. So once you have changed the environment, the first step, you will start feeling the positive. Secondly, now you need to start visualizing these things. By visualizing, I mean, suppose you need love in your life. So start visualizing that you are getting the love, you are content. Or if you need something, that courage in your life, so start feeling it, that yes, you have the courage. Start visualizing it, that yes, you create. So there is a situation in front of you, and try to face that situation like a courageous person. Imagine yourself as a different person, not you used to be. So start your imaginations like that. If you feel that the people have been saying that you are a coward, frame a situation in your mind and face that situation not being a coward, by facing that situation, fighting that situation. So slowly and slowly start visualizing those things that you want to develop in your life, whether it is money, whether it is fulfillment, whether it is good emotions, whether it is a self-strength, whether it is self-worth, anything that you want in your life that you can yourself work upon. And third, when you have started visualizing these things, start feeling those things with emotions, because once you will start connecting your emotions with those that you are visualizing, it has the more impact on your subconscious mind. It starts believing that how desperately you want those things. So this is the 3-step exercise that you would practice in your life, and you will see lots of changes in your life. Not only your life will lead you to the positive direction, but you will achieve the goals in your life. You will develop the lots of opportunities in your life, and you will yourself have the courage to face the challenges in your life. And slowly you will feel that you are more positive, more confident, and more self-worthy person. So start doing this, and please tell me how you felt after doing this. So to be very true, it will not take 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, because we don't know that how long the predispositions have been in our mind and how strong the impact of predispositions are there. So it might take a month, it might take 2 months, it might take 3 months, but yes, certainly if you will be consistent, persistent, it will happen and you will see the change in yourself. So this is how, in a simple way, you should start reprogramming your conscious mind. There's nothing that you cannot develop in yourself. It is your self-worth, your self-esteem, your body, your mind. You can play around with anything. So have a great day ahead. Stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you in my next video. So stay calm.